Hi, I'm Devin West and I run Medicare Savings Solutions. In this video, we'll go over one of the biggest questions I get from many of my customers all the time, and that is, what is better for me, a Medicare Supplement Plan or Medicare Advantage Plan? Toward the end of the video, we'll go over how you can get help to choose the best plan for your specific needs. When I'm helping a senior find the best plan for their specific needs, the first thing that we do is help them decide whether they want a Medicare Supplement Plan or a Medicare Advantage Plan. And there are four main factors that help us decide that. The first thing that we look at is the availability and the quality of the plans in the area. What I mean by quality is the cost of the plan compared to the benefits that they give. Many counties in the country have both Medicare Advantage and Medicare Supplement plans available to them. But there are also a lot of counties that don't have any Medicare Advantage plans available to them, or the costs of those plans are too high. If the cost is getting higher, closer to $100 or more per month, in those counties, the Medicare Supplement Plan is a better option. And in some areas of the country, the Medicare Advantage plans are very low cost, as low as zero monthly cost, and give very good coverage. For example, Los Angeles County in California has Medicare Advantage plans at zero monthly cost and then zero copays for doctors, zero hospital stays, zero outpatient surgery. So those plans can be a very good option compared to some of the high-cost Medicare supplement plans in those areas. So it's very important to compare the Medicare supplement plans to the cost and the quality of the Medicare Advantage plans in the area. The second factor we look at is your current health situation. If you already have a lot of health issues, it might be a good idea to start out with a Medicare supplement plan, because in the future, if you need one, you may not be able to qualify. This is because if you're applying for a Medicare supplement plan outside of your open enrollment period when you go on Medicare or turn 65, then you have to answer health questions to be able to get onto a Medicare supplement plan, in most cases. The third factor in determining which is better for you, a Medicare Supplement Plan or a Medicare Advantage Plan, is your financial situation. In a lot of cases, people, seniors especially, are on low fixed incomes. And if it's low enough, then a Medicare Supplement Plan can make you choose between your healthcare coverage and eating. And you don't want to be in that situation. So if your income is very, very low, a lot of times people will go with a Medicare Advantage plan because the premiums are very low on those plans. You still have copays and that kind of thing a lot of times, but the monthly cost is easier to handle. Then on the other hand, if it is affordable to you, you can go with a Medicare Supplement Plan as opposed to a Medicare Advantage plan if those plans aren't good enough for you in your area. The fourth thing that we look at when you're turning 65 or going on Medicare and need help choosing a Medicare Supplement Plan or Medicare Advantage plan, believe it or not, is personal preference. I have many people that make more than $80,000 a year, but they would still rather pay zero monthly cost and go with a Medicare Advantage plan because they're healthy and they've never been sick before. And as much as I try to tell them differently, they'll go with the Medicare Advantage plan even though you never know what's going to happen in the future. So they may need a Medicare supplement later, but they'd rather go for the Medicare Advantage plan now to save the monthly premiums. Then on the other side of things, I have people on very low income that would typically not be able to afford a Medicare supplement plan, but they'd rather have one anyway so they don't have to pay any co-pays, co-insurance, or anything like that, depending on the plan that you're on, of course. If you're one of the thousands of people turning 65 and going on Medicare every single day, and you're getting mailings and phone calls and people knocking at your door, and you don't know what to do with all this information, we at Medicare Savings Solutions are a Medicare health insurance agency, an independent Medicare health insurance agency. And we represent all of the top plans and all the top companies to help people find the best plans for their specific needs. We first narrow down whether or not a Medicare Supplement Plan or a Medicare Advantage Plan might be best for you. And then from there, we help you decide which plan in those categories might be best for you. We do this by taking into account your overall situation. That's your health situation, your financial situation, your doctors, hospitals, prescription drugs, and much more. Our services that are provided are completely unbiased and at no cost to you. We just want to help you find the best plan for your specific needs. If you'd like free help, you can call us anytime at 1-800-663-5707, or you can go to our website, MedicareSavingSolutions.com, and fill out the contact form. If you'd like to see more informative videos, you can click on one of these on the screen, or you can go to our Facebook page or our YouTube page to see more.